Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and this is 12 Days of Christmas. We are on day 9. Oh yeah, today's December 9th. Hello. Durr. Which today is ugly sweater. Ugly Christmas sweater. So I'm going to be using a wreath by She Modern. I'm going to saturate it with water. I have got a nail in the lamp, curing with white polish for a background color, I guess you could say. So while that's curing, this is going to saturate. When it comes out, we're going to use Beetle's top coat. Probably should use iGel Beauty because it's thicker. So we'll use that, and then we are going to be using some green flocking powder around the decal. That is my... Oh, first we gotta put on some, I need to back my step up. Slow my roll. After it comes out of the lamp, we're gonna be putting some glue gel on. We'll be curing that. Then we'll be putting our decal on. Then we'll put the top coat on. That's the order we will go in. I think my lamp is on a higher setting. There we go. There we go. So I'm going to put my She Modern glue gel on. I love this product. Love, love, love. Today I'm actually filming in the evening. Can you believe that? It's not the wee hours of the morning. So I'm going to stick this back in the lamp, give this a 30-second cure. Let's see what my phone's going on about. Nothing important. Nothing important. So we got that going on in there. Put the lid back on that. When that comes out, we will put our decal on. We're using a Maniology Ice Cube stamper. These are so tiny. I have a code JNI for Just Nailed It. All caps with 10 JNI 10. Supposed to be able to save you 10% off your bill, and why not at Christmas time of any other time of the year? You could always use 10% off. So check that out. Do that. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. Stay with me for the rest of the month of December. We have a lot of nail art going on this month. So this should be ready now. Yep. Slide the backing off, no big deal. Dab it off on something lid free. There we go. Get your silicone tool. It's not exactly dry. Wipe that off. You can remove your palette. Wipe that off, put it away, blah blah blah. Now we'll go in with our top coat. Nice, thick, glossy top coat. That's what the flocking powder says we need. I mean, it doesn't say we need it, but I figured a thicker base coat or gel top coat would be better than a thinner, say, Beetle's. And that's just how I think in my mind. In my mind it says, so we're gonna put this around. Well, this is a lot. We're gonna put this all around the decal. This is my very first time working with flocking powder. It's kind of getting stuck to the tweezers here a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm going to tap, tap, tap. Put this in the lamp to cure. Wait my stuff up. I'm going to pause and we will be right back. We're back out of the lamp. We are going to take this. I'm going to call it a baby brush. That's what it reminds me of. It is for nails. We're going to take that. I was told you to do this. So whatever. We did that. A little bit came off. And I guess our nail is finito. This is our ugly Christmas sweater. And it's kind of ugly. Alright. So, this is our day 9. Ugly Christmas sweater for 12 days of Christmas. Check out Pumpkin's Nail Station for her ugly Christmas sweater. Give it a watch in full. Give us some support, some love. Yeah, and stay tuned for tomorrow for Santa Claus. Not Santa Claus. Tomorrow is Rudolph. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We're going to see how that one goes. So have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.